What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It seems like it's been forever, man. I was making videos every day, and then now all of a sudden it's been like 4 days since I even made a video, so it feels kind of weird. So anyway, if you're new here, my name is John. I'm an American that's been living here in China for 15 years, and I just talk about things here in China, about my life here, what it's like living in China, and sometimes I just share things from my own personal life, sometimes just for family and stuff, but I guess other people obviously get to see it because it's on the internet. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do here. Today, I got something to share with y'all, a decision that I just made, and I guess I'll share that with you guys. So, what did I do? Kind of a big decision, I guess. I decided to renew my contract with my work. Actually, I didn't even put much thought into it. They just basically asked me to sign a contract. They was like, we really want you to stay for long term, and even actually asked me to sign a 10-year contract. And I said, no, I'm not really interested in signing a 10-year contract. I don't even know if I want to work a whole nother year. So anyway, I did tell them that I would sign a 1-year contract. So I signed a new contract with my job. So I'm not going to be moving anytime soon in terms of moving to another place in China. I really love living in Guangdong, and I really was kind of wanting to go back to Guangdong, but I couldn't find a suitable job there. I mean, there's lots of jobs there that pay good money, and but they require a lot of work and stuff like that. And I'm at the point now where what I'm doing at my current job, man, it's easy. I'm working 16 hours a week. I go to work every day at 10:30 in the morning, and I finish at 12 o'clock noon, and then I go back to work at 2:30 in the afternoon until 4, sometimes 4:30 in the afternoon. That's it. So it's 3 hours a day. I don't have to be in the office, no meetings, no nothing. So, 16 hours a week is all I'm working. And if I change jobs, I'm going to have to do 40 hours a week or more. This is what I was doing before. I was working 50 or 60 hours a week sometimes. So the 16 hours a week is great. The money I'm getting is pretty good. I mean, I took about I took maybe a 10,000 renminbi pay cut to come to this job, and I could easily go back to Guangdong or other places in China and get 10 or 15,000 or 20,000 more than what I'm getting now, but I will actually have to work. So I'm fine with the situation that I have now. I don't need the money. I have other sources of money anyway. So yeah, I just committed for another year, which means, my contract is actually until July of 2026 now. So that'd be 16 years in China. So yeah, that just happened. So I don't know how to feel about it. Actually, what I've been thinking about, because I've kind of been, I just thought I'd share this with you guys, but I've kind of been on a more of a, I don't know, I guess you would say somewhat of a spiritual journey lately, just trying to find myself or learn more about myself and things like that. And so since I've been doing that, I've just kind of decided I was thinking about moving. This is kind of weird that this ties into this, but it really does tie in together. But I was thinking about moving to a new house, even just across the street, to a bigger apartment. And but at the same time, I was thinking, why waste time? Spend more money. I fight these people to get my deposit back. Then try to find somebody who actually rent to me, pay a new deposit, and start all over in another space and all this and that. So I decided, hey, you know what? I think I'm just gonna try to stay here where I'm at now. And I'm gonna try to spruce up the place a bit and make it feel a little bit more like home, because the place I've been living now, I wasn't so sure about how long I was gonna stay here in this city and at this job. So I didn't really do anything. I just kind of moved in this apartment, and it's brand new. When I moved in, I was the first person to live here. But it feels very, very, what's a good word to put it? Very sterile, like institutionalized almost. It's just like everything is very, very nice and clean, but it just doesn't feel very homely. It just feels like you're like in a kind of a nice hospital or something. So I'm gonna try to spruce it up and make it feel a little bit more cozy, make it feel more home-like, because I think that will help me more on my, I guess you would say, my spiritual journey. You know, I just kind of want to be in a place that's very calm and cozy and relaxing, somewhere that I just really feel good to be at all the time. And that's going to take some changes. And the bad thing is, when you're renting an apartment, you can't really like change much. You know, I can't like go painting walls, and I can't like get rid of stuff that's already here because it doesn't belong to me. So you know, I have to make do with what I have here, but I can add stuff. I can do that. I just can't like change the colors of the walls or anything like that. But so I'm gonna start sprucing up the place a little bit, make it look a little bit more like home, make it feel more cozy and more relaxing, and just somewhere that's like really feels really good to be at. So hopefully soon, when I make videos here at home, you will see some of the stuff changing in the background. You'll see some different things, and once I get everything completed the way I like it, then I'll give you guys another little I guess like a house tour and show you the changes I made and what everything looks like. But actually, I guess if you want to see what it looks like now, I can show you. Why not? Let's show you. I'll show you guys what it's looking like now. It's it's a little messy, so just excuse the mess, because I just haven't got this thing sorted out yet. But yeah, let me show you around. I have to turn the lights on. I have the lights off because I was, you know, filming this video, obviously. So things gonna change up a bit. That's a yellow light. Let's make it white. It might be easier to see. All right, so yeah, let me just show you guys around a little bit. I'm gonna take you out here real quick. I don't know why I'm doing this again, but anyway, as you come to the apartment, right? You have the door here. So when you come into the house, right, I've got the cabinets here, the full length cabinets. It goes floor to ceiling. Obviously there's a shelf in the middle. I keep my books here. I keep some shoes and paper and stuff in here. It's very neat and organized. But the top section, I'll show you that. I'll just show you everything, why not? The top section is just kind of like random stuff. I really need to like organize this and make it better. I'll work on that here in the next coming days. On this side, again, you have the same thing. You have the floor to ceiling cabinets with the big shelf in the middle. I'll step back so you guys can see the whole entranceway. So this is what the entranceway looks like. You see the other side here too as well. So over here, I just got this like Marshall Bluetooth speaker, and I got like a little wood bowl that matches it. This is just like my little catch-all, catches my keys and stuff like that. And this little bear, he's just a gift from the school I used to work at, actually, and this is the school uniform. So yeah. Over here, I'll show you what I got in my cabinets. They're messy as hell. We got you know, some fitness equipment. We got Ultraman up there. More fitness equipment. And the bottom, this bottom section is full of bags, like gym bags, computer bag, travel bag, just bags. That's all it is, lots of bags. So I don't know why I have so many bags, but I'm gonna get rid of them. And on this side, we have the shoes, some more shoes. These are more sports shoes, running shoes, basketball shoes, just shoes I wear every day to the gym, stuff like that. And in the top cabinet, we got some audio, video equipment, some tripods and hard drives and extra computers and extra cables, just everything, electronic equipment is all here. Stuff that I use for work, and I say work like YouTube and other stuff like that, and making videos and stuff. All that stuff's right there. So that's the entrance. That's what you have when you come to the entrance. And I have this like a little stool here that I sit on to put my shoes on. And then underneath, I don't know if you can see that, but we got like a scale down there where I can check my weight. And this ugly thing here. Let's look at the bathroom real quick. Bathroom, very simple, just kind of gray. Got the shower like this. There's no shower curtain, no nothing. So when you take a shower, the floor is always wet, which kind of sucks. But I keep this little squeegee thing right here. So every time I take a shower, I clean the walls and clean the floor so it doesn't stay wet. But yeah, we just have like a little towel rack. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you have here, I mean, you got the basin that matches the cabinets outside, the same color with the countertop. Mirror, just inside of there is where I keep all my deodorant and toothpaste and stuff. And down here is just like a hair dryer, nothing special. And you can see the door. I kept my towel on the door, but it's just like a frosted glass door, so you can't see inside of it. But yeah, that's it. So anyway, when you're standing here in the entranceway, this is what you see. I'll share with you guys this. This is obviously my YouTube setup that I use here. I just have my crappy chair. It came with the place. I didn't buy this. And this little computer type table. Looks like an IKEA table, just like a computer desk actually, but it's got like it's like metal behind it, metal legs. It's very sterile. But I have my microphone here, which is on this boom arm, so I can, it swings in and out. You can adjust it. You can see obviously there's my lighting setup. I have a light box for for my videos, and I have a Samsung monitor, MacBook. I connect it to there, so my monitor is really big because I trade stock market too, so it's easier to see the stock charts on this 4K Samsung monitor. It's really nice compared to the computer screen, so that's why I use this monitor. And also good for video editing. So that's my YouTube setup right there, just the table right here, but it's right there in the entranceway. Also accompanied by the refrigerator, which is here in the living room, which is kind of stupid, but there's no space in the kitchen because the kitchen is so narrow. So I actually have a refrigerator in my living room next to my YouTube setup. And then I got a bunch of junk up here I need to declutter, glasses and all this other stuff. Got like a little picture thing of myself with workmates and stuff like that. There's a gift from some of my colleagues. But so yeah, this is what you see when you come into the door. When you walk to the front door, that's the first thing you see is you have the cabinets and the YouTube studio setup. The reason why it's like that, if you look over here into the living room section, see they have the wall there that's painted the same color as these cabinets here in the entranceway, and the door is slightly darker but similar shade. And then obviously I have like a little table here with a white throw rug thing on top of it with we have some like a wood with some candles, and then we have the wood bowl with the potpourri and stuff like that, so it smells nice in here. And then you have this gray sofa, and again I put just like this white thing on there to make it softer because it just looks very sterile without it. And these cushions here, actually I don't like these cushions. I was using these because I just was sitting on the floor. I was experimenting sitting on the floor for some time, and they're supposed to be comfortable for sitting on the floor, but I don't really like them. They're really ugly, but I do like sitting on the floor, to be honest with you. But I don't really have a good place or comfortable place to sit on the floor. But anyway, that's what's going on in the living room. And then I have this stuff here because I have some more fitness equipment here. A 50 kg bag that I put on my back to do squats with sometimes, and a 5 kg rope. It's like a rope flow rope. So I use those. I need to put them away somewhere too. But that's really pretty much the living room space. It's just this area here. So like I said, I want to do something here, put something on the wall there maybe. Put something on the wall here. This wall is just blank white wall. So I want to put something over there and make this space just feel more cozy and comfortable. Then we have the intercom here. You can see who's like downstairs. If somebody wants to come to your house, they can like buzz your room number and you can let them in and see the delivery people and all this and that. So yeah, anyway, over here, again, you can see like the central heating up there, central air up there, not heat, it's not central heating. The heating's in the floor actually. But you have this little electronic thermostat here for the heat up there. And then the kitchen, obviously, got the clear glass door. And in the kitchen, let me turn the light on. You can see the cabinets again, they match the same as the ones in the entranceway with the white countertop and stove top. And again, we have cabinets all along the ceiling up here and then all along the bottom too. And it's just where I keep all my cooking stuff. Like, well, this one actually is fitness supplements, protein powder and creatine, vitamins. And then down here, I keep some other stuff too. I got some pots and pans and an air fryer. Keep my countertop empty pretty much. And over here, I'm gonna show you guys my secrets. But I got a safe, and I've got a microwave, and hot water kettle. I'll just keep that stuff out of sight. And I think I got something over here too. What's in here? Oh, I got a blender in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is actually a trash bag. I'm going to take this trash out here in just a minute. That's why it's sitting right there. I was about to take it outside. I said, yeah, I'm going to make a video. Anyway, I got some dishes here that I just washed. I'm waiting for them to dry so I can put them away. Hot water heater. So it's a pretty simple, basic place. And then of course we have the bedroom, which I don't even want to show you guys because it's a mess, but I'll show you anyway. What the hell? I didn't make up my bed or nothing. And I got stuff laying around everywhere. But in the bedroom, you can see we have the big window, and then there's another window on the other side, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, the bed's just a queen size bed, or 1.80 meters. And then in here again, closet, same color as the entranceway, same cabinets, floor to ceiling. There's a nightstand over there, and another Bluetooth speaker. And then another nightstand over here with nothing on it or in it. And the bed, you can't see it, but on the foot of the bed, it's got some under bed storage here, like drawers that open up and you can put stuff inside of them. And I keep linen bed sheets. So I sleep really hot, so I keep cool bed sheets. And then we got these hideous golden curtains. And then out here, beyond this door, is a laundry room. As you can see here, we got a washing machine. Got some overhead cabinets up there for storing blankets and washing powder and stuff. And we got this closed drying rack to dry clothes because there's no dryer. And then obviously you have the windows with the view of the city. And the windows do open up. I keep the screen closed so mosquitoes don't come in, but I have the outside window open because it's nice and cool outside. Same thing here. You can see like directly into the neighbors, but there's nothing going on over there. But anyway, I don't have any curtains here because I only come out here to wash my clothes or hang them up, so I don't care if anybody sees me or not. But, over here, I just close the curtains when I sleep at night. So that's pretty much it. That is the place right now. Before I attempt to transform it. If you see my other videos, the places I lived before, I also made them, nice and cozy places to live and stay. But this one, you can see it just seems, well, it was even more sterile than this, but I found some stuff that I had laying around, like this thing for the table, and this little blanket here, like just throw some stuff around to add some texture and make it feel more warm. But yeah, it feels very sterile. So I'm gonna try to spruce it up a little bit. And when I do, I'll share with you guys the changes I made. But anyway, yeah, nothing special to share with you guys other than the fact that I did commit to another year here in Luoyang, Henan, China. And I guess I'll be living in China 16 years. Anything you want to talk about, let me know in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Take care.